The Morrie's Automotive Group is here with the new 2018 Ford Expedition. Now what I'd like to do is show you around the interior, some of the stuff on the outside, and then provide you with a driving review. So the new 2018 Expedition, obviously on the exterior, is going to be a full refresh. You have a 3.5 liter V6, which is going to get you about 21 miles per gallon on the highway. It's also mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Now this one also has the tow package, which is pretty impressive for this large of a vehicle. You'd probably expect to tow your pretty large boat. On the inside, you can fit 7 passengers, and there's a ton of creature comforts in there, and that's really where the new Expedition shines. So let's take a look at the inside. So now inside, this is the limited edition, which basically is going to get you full leather. You've got a power second row and room for 7 people. Now when I say that, you can actually put people in the 3rd row of this vehicle. I love this kind of wood layout in the doors, and the steering wheel controls are so nice with the Sync 3 that you can use the voice activation, whether it's the navigation or anything else you're using inside is straight user-friendly, easy to use stuff. We're out on the lake, so we've set up a slalom course here, and we're going to show you our best impression of a slalom downhill skier. So this is just going to be in normal drive mode. So right now we're in 2 high, and there's probably 4 inches of snow out here, kind of different ice patches. The wind is blowing nicely today, and it's getting plenty of traction that way. So now what I'd like to do for our second pass is I'm going to take the drive mode and I'm going to flip it over to grass, gravel, and snow. So let's try it again. So we'll line it back up. Okay, so we're in snow gravel mode. Let's go, let's kind of punch it here. Oh man, it's way better. So this is gonna lock us into 4-wheel drive. You can feel it digging in, biting down. Nice, getting the slalom going. Now again, I'm in the snow and kind of grass gravel mode, so that's a little bit deeper traction. It's gonna bite down and really kind of help you, but I mean, I'm surprised, even in 2-wheel drive, it's actually getting some pretty decent traction out here. But you know, in the heavy snow, it is Minnesota, it is about 10 degrees, so that's why we've got all the heated seat on, we've got the heated steering wheel, we've got the extra traction we need, and we've got the comfort of this vehicle. It's great, it handles really nicely, just, I mean, driving on the perfectly plowed roads. And this is the Max, so this is the largest of the Expeditions. And you know what? It's great. It's comfortable, it's really quiet, even out here on the lake where the wind is just whipping around, you don't get a lot of that noise inside. So what do I think overall? I think you gotta get out and drive one. If you're looking, maybe you're driving an Escalade now, maybe you're driving an older Navigator or even an older Expedition, this is certainly one to get at and take for a spin. On behalf of the Morrie's Automotive Group, thanks for watching. Now, if you'd like more information about the new Expedition, make sure to call, click, or stop by today. Thanks again for watching, and make sure you buy happy.